Hey guys, what's going on? So I got a quick little guess what's in the bag, aka box video. Picked up a couple little small electronic items from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so today this is just going to be a quick guess what's in the bag, aka guess what's in the box video. So this is it should be two separate items in it, which it does feel like it is. I picked this up from Amazon. It's like 60 bucks to grab two small items. They are for computer. So the bag total is about 10.5 inches or so folded. The items that are in the bag are actually 5 inches for at least this item. 5 inches wide by 8 inches long. This one is 2 inches thick. The secondary box or bag, feels like box, is probably a half an inch. It's half an inch thick. It is 6 inches long for 3 3/4 inch wide. There's a couple small little items in here. What do you guys think's in the bag? Just a quick video. Nothing that's going to be too long. I do want to say thank you to all the subscribers, watchers, non-subscribers, people that use the affiliate links, people that watch the ads that are on the channel. It does help. The channel is technically paying for a lot of the things that I'm showing now. Got several tools coming that I paid with the money that I got from the channel. Some Milwaukee M18 switch tanks, got 2 of those. Some Makita M18, or not M18, but Makita 18 volt hammer drill and impact driver, as well as we're going to be bringing the 40 volt line of Makita tools to the channel. I'm going to be using some of the money from the channel that I get to buy wood, accessories, drill bits and everything. Going to start doing head-to-head stuff, as well as just want to say thank you to you guys. You guys are awesome. If you guys want to see more tool stuff, more electronics, more automotive, smush the bell notification icon. It'll get you updates on what I'm doing next. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon like I just said, and go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I do have an Also Tools link below in the description. If you guys want to go use that, it'll get you 10% off your order at Also Tools. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!